So, so for doing the lithography, so you're recording, right? Okay. So for doing the lithography, what we have to do that, like we have to make sure that this is proper aligned first. Second thing is that, like, the second verification, you can see that this Z, it is showing the sum value and the vertical lateral or is good. So second step, we can click it here to the litho option. In the litho option, if you can minimize here, so you can see that, like, these are the some area. Even you can use this. These are the scanner area, so you can make the scratching anywhere because this is a new sample, so you can make the scratching. So how we have to do that, like, this is the area, is covered area, means the probe will move here to make the scratch. So I have already made the scratch here, so it's not a good idea to make the scratch anymore. So I can just put it here and we can place it here. Okay, the second I can just make it as a zoom. So for the testing point of view, I just am considering one circle here. Okay, so just I click, but we cannot able to see that the circle, it means that it is somewhere else. So I just minimize it, I catch and I'll bring it here, and then we can just make the smaller circle, this one, so that it will fit inside. You can select anything. Okay, so just you can just put the circle, even you can put the image, but definitely it's going to take a time. I saw the image also. So what I'll do, just I'll bring and I'll put it here from the down, so you remember that it will easy for us to scan that. So I can just maximize it. We can use the keyboard. Okay, so if you can click it here, so you can see that, like, this is the parameter they will use for the lithography pattern. So in the right side, if you can look that, the showing that the 0.1 nanonewton is very small for the polycarbonate. So generally, if you have the new sample, so we have to look that, like, we have just, I'm going to put like 3000. We can put like up to 10 micronewtons. Okay, so what I'm doing here, like, I'm just putting like 3000 nanonewton. I can put the 7000 nanonewton. Why I'm putting the two value? The reason is, like, I just we are going to see that they will start from the 3000, they will end, once they can make a full circle, they will end with this force. Even you can select the same force starting and ending one. It's not a hard and fast, but why I'm selecting here, so I will see that for the next pattern, like, which force at least looking nice. Okay, so even I just put the 3000, you can put the 5000, is also fine, there is nothing. Okay, so just I put 5000 to 7000. Okay, so what I can do that, like, this is the only force pattern. And second, like, once we have done this, so you have to go to the approach. Like, if you not approach in start make a lithography, they will just do the movement in the air. So what we have to do that, we have to go to the Z scan here. Okay, and then I'll just click it, the approach option here. So in the approach option, we will wait for here. We can see that in the approach, now the Z value is 0.16. Okay, and here the vertical and lateral also has been changed. So it means that they come in the contact of the sample. So next step, we have to just start litho. So you notice that this part will move here. Okay, so they are making the lithography pattern here first. So this is the lithography is going on. Okay, so once you have done the lithography, so if you can directly move to the scan area, so better what we are doing is, just for the safer side, we can click it and we can just take the 20 micron up. Okay, just for the safe side. Okay, so once we can take it up, then we can come to the scanning area. Okay, in that scanning area, the polycarbonate is the soft material. So but it's good to select the non-contact mode scannings, NCM. Okay, because this the diamond coated cantilever can work as a like contact, like they can use the non-contact, and is diamond coated hard we are using for the lithography purpose. Okay, so if you can look that, this is called the tuning option. The recommended set point is 12.125. I'll just close this one, and here we can see that, like, the forward and backward direction is both is looking same. So this is good for the making a scan. Okay, so simply I just start the scanning from here. But before going to start the scanning, what we have to do, we have to do the approach, right? So you can come here, we can just click it here,